Hello, this is Andre Duval, and this is my project for Engineering 298 at Contra Costa Community College. I built a robot that's autonomous, and it has a robotic arm on the back. It's controlled through Arduino. It moves around via ultrasonic sensors right here. These sensors tell if there's an object in front, and if it senses there's an object in front, it will navigate around it. I built this platform using plexiglass that I had cut, and I drilled some holes through it. It's 3 pieces of plexiglass. I had a base from another robotics project, and I just cut the base down the middle, attached the wheels on the side, drilled some holes through this right here to attach the wheels. I also had to do the same thing in the back. There was the back part of the base, and drill some holes through there as well. Then I also had a robot arm kit and attached them on top. It has suction cups. It's not finished, but I plan on building some type of protective covering for this. I had a cardboard box. Haven't attached it yet, but I want to use something a little stronger just because the arm, just in case it comes down too hard, because this thing has a lot of power. Here's just the code for the Arduino. Just gonna briefly just show it. It has the servos, it has the ultrasonic sensors. I basically just found this online and modified it a little bit so that it would run using these servos and the ultrasonic sensor. I also, before, planned on controlling it remotely because it's just much easier to pick things up while the robot's moving with a remote control. So I was designing an app. This is using MIT App Designer. I was able to connect it to my phone, which is pretty cool. It doesn't work for iPhone, but I had an Android phone laying around, but I couldn't get it to turn on my servo. So that's going to take a little more work. Plan to do that. This is the Bluetooth sensor that it needs to be attached into the Arduino board, and you connect. You also need the app. I will show that real quick on my phone. I highly recommend this app building website, MIT App Inventor. It's pretty easy to use. Here's the app. See, it just comes up on my phone. Pretty easy, pretty simple, but a little harder to get the servos to go using it. Next, I'm just going to demonstrate how the robot moves around and uses the ultrasonic sensor. So here it goes. Goes around. It's going to notice something in front of it right there. Takes a little bit of time to move out of the way, but eventually will, and keeps on its journey. Works pretty well. Dun, 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 dun. All right.